if you have trouble sometimes breaking down these broad goals that you have into actionable tasks, this is like the perfect use case for it. One thing that you can do is it essentially generates a life coach for you. And then we have our life coach here. And I can actually write down all of my goals, whatever it is. And I'm gonna just do that through chat. I want to become, I don't know, millionaire in the next 5 years. What are some actionable goals? So it'll actually break down this into actionable tasks. And I have my favorite quote where it says you're only a certain number of steps away from any goal. And that is even more true whenever it comes to these sorts of goals. So for example, if you wanted to create a detailed plan, yes, please. And we could clip this portion and call it how to become a millionaire in 5 years using Taskade.